I have collected my pips here. I have collected my pips here for 1 week. This XM Global, I also have collected $325.61. Okay, so I'm done my trade. I knew that the market may be fundamental analysis moment here. You see there is news supposed to release at 7:30 p.m. and then the news, refresh this one, see what happened, because there is the timing is 7:32. that is good for the US dollars. Okay, and then allow me to go to the lower time frame. Here is H1. You see this is just in a minute. You see the market is still pushing up, and I believe there is my sell limit order, so I don't wanna actually involve in this type of very risky trading. So I just wanna sell this USD Japanese yen. I don't wanna buy yet because the market is telling me that it is not buy trend yet, but the fundamental analysis, the indicators say just market is pushing up. You see the market just trying to push up very hard. I believe this market will be going up for few for an hour, maybe for an hour, and then after that the market will be maybe tumble down by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So you just can trade in this fundamental analysis. I haven't tracked this fundamental analysis today. I was busy, and just before the 7:30 I just in onto my desk, and that's why I have done the thing is late. Okay, but I'm still recording it for you so that you understand what is happening here. US unemployment rate is changed, then the market is good for market. Okay, and then non-farm employment change, that means non-farm, those is not farmed, those employment has been changes, and maybe they are employed a lot of people over there. That's why the employment green color, which is very good for the currency. And you can see non-farm payroll, NFP employment change. Okay, and why trader need to care? Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activities. Okay, so this is why the US non-farm payroll news is very important for traders. And ISM service PMI, that will be released in 9 p.m. I believe if this too has given us a very good indicator. If this ISM service do bad, then the market will tumble down according to the price level of that time. So the price level is so important. We have to look at the price level. Currently I've got out of the trade because I knew that the market will tumble up. Possibly the market will be tumbling up. You see, I have collected my pips here. I have collected my pips here for 1 week. This XM Global, I also have collected $325.61. Okay, so I'm done my trade. I knew that the market maybe have some very good or bad impact. That's why I just got out of my trade. I'm safe. Okay, so I believe you all understand the fundamental indicators are very important for the trading. And you see how 119 pips just for an hour, it will go up until to this maybe up to here, and then this is your very good sell. So those of you, this would be very good sell. You see my sell limit over there. Okay, so I'll be selling the market. I won't buy it because the US dollar will be continuing going down for this month, I believe. Okay, and once the US dollar impact, then other dollars also got impacted, let's have a look at the GBP USD or GBP Japanese yen here. As you can see, this GBP Japanese yen is still pushing up. As you see, I have got out of my trade here, around here at this level here. So I have saved about 72 pips. Okay, 72 to 80 pips. This wasn't very good trade for me. It has given me $500 here. I traded here, and then I have collected $500. I have collected about the 500 pips from this GBP Japanese yen. So the important is that just before the news, you all must be understanding what the news is going to happen onto you, and that you have, because you have the traded open, then those traded will be impacted very badly. That's why you must take the decision before just a news released. Okay, then you decide whether you want to stay into the trade or you want to get out of the trade. For me, I decided, and then I just take off all my trades and closed all my trades. You see, all my trades are closed. Okay, and I have collected about $287.41. We end up $287.41 plus, let's go to the XM, $325.61. $325.61, which is $613.02 within a week, just trading a single 10 cents per pips. Single 10 cents per pips. Okay, this is amazing trade if you ask me. I don't know how you evaluate it. I will evaluate it extremely that this is a very good skill for the trading. Okay, because I have traded in 10 cents per pips, so I have collected 6,130 30 pips. Okay, if you have traded $1 per pips, then you could have made $6,130 within a week. You guess how amazing is this? If you make this much money within a week, and then you could multiply by 4 times, which is 24,520 pips. You know, financial advisor are just getting only 10% of the total amount, okay, for the year. So this is just getting within a month. You are getting $24,000. I believe if you invest $50,000 in this industry, then you can get this much money within a month. For me, this is quite easy to get this much money within $50,000. Okay, don't use the Uyenda, because Uyenda doesn't allow to hold the trade, and if you hold the trade, then they will keep on charging you. You see the financing balance here, financing card. They have cut continuously. They will cut your money. You see $2, $2.14 cents, $2.14 cents, $6.69, $2.16. So they are keep on cutting the money unless you close the trade. Okay, so this Uyenda is just for a day trader. Okay, I'm not a day trader. I'm just holding my trade for a week, for 15 days, and even for the month. Okay, so that's all about today. I have made 6,000 pips, I believe 6,130 pips for this week. 6,130 pips for this week. This is amazing trade. I believe this is amazing trade. If you like, please stick with me, subscribe, and notify the bell icon so that you get the notification. And I keep on releasing all my projection strategy to the Facebook. Please go ahead and connect with my Facebook profile in my Facebook group. And this is me. You see, this is me. I didn't open up for the forex trading page yet, so this is just I'm using my own personal profile. Okay, so you just go ahead and add me over there. Then you will know. You see, I have placed the butterfly patterns or USD here, and then I'm giving all this update on my Facebook, even giving them into the YouTube. So stay tuned. Bye bye now. See you again.